DVR security camera system. Intellectual security protects your home. Watch everything that happens when you go out. You can view videos with the ability to scroll back. Security is an important thing for everyone. You can watch your children in the yard or in the kitchen. Don't worry about anything and focus on your affairs. O6, the security system, keeps motion detection in your home. You can personally observe it. Any signal about the movement will be sent to your phone and email. It works even in a dark, rainy night. Watcher belongs everywhere and anytime. We believe that it will tell you both day and night, in the snow and in the rain, and in the bright weather. At any time, you will know everything. You will control everything. Manage your property anywhere and anytime. Intellectual security protects your home. Watch everything that happens when you go out.